Ryan here, Silly Reviews. Got this weird box that came from Amazon today. I've never seen a box like that. What's in that box goes along with what's in this fridge. I'm on let's grab it. I'm on a pickling extravaganza here. I've been pickling eggs, celery, cucumber, and I bought a whole bunch of jars. And inside of this box should be an electric airifier, air sucker outer thing for those cans. I don't want to destroy this box because I may need it to ship something from like eBay. So we're going to learn this together. There is information on the front. Is that really clear to anyone? Grab and pull. That's what anyway. All right, so there should be perforations on here somewhere. So find the side that's perforated. I found it. So it's here. This is perforated. So I guess what we're going to do is that's it. Okay. We're going to tear it on down. Box inside of a box. That's a boo box. I like that. I like to reuse boxes, shipping bags, and things like that. Let's get to the good stuff. This was an Amazon warehouse find. I'm pretty good at that. Now, this particular air taker outer for canning does not have good reviews or videos online, but I think that's mostly because people are retarded and they don't know what they're doing. That's what I think. And usually I'm right. Usually I am right. And here we go. So even with the return item, we get the little Chinese, info card here. It says on a single charge you can do 200 jars. I doubt it. Well, this one in particular here takes 3 hours to charge. Is this USB-C or is this going to be USB whack? Okay, that looks untouched, right? So it came with lids. The lids have not been nothing. This is brand new. This is brand new. Oh yeah, we got the top popper. That's cool. Does both sizes, canning lids. And it is USB-C. All right. And the way this one works, it doesn't have a timer on it, but it only runs for about 20 seconds each time. So it's not like you can forget it and damage the unit, damage your jar, your lid, things like that. So here we go. We learned some stuff. We spent some quality time together. You know how to open these boxes now. And this is a pretty good box. This is a unique size. You could fit some stuff in there. Maybe put together like a care package for mom and send her stuff. And it'd be fun for her to open if I can repackage it to where she can open it this way and dig in. Pretty cool. Ryan here, Silly Reviews. Thank you for watching.